हेलो एवरीवन, थैंक्स फॉर ट्यूनिंग इनटू सिने संवाद। यार, क्या आपने कभी इमेजिन किया है कि किसी भी एक सिचुएशन पर वी हैव मल्टीपल चॉइसेस टू मेक एंड हाउ मच टाइम डू वी एग्जैक्टली हैव to decide what to exactly choose. So the director and writer Amit Kumar tries to explore this particular theme in his film. See, we don't have much cinema to explore these kind of stories where our antagonist explores all the thoughts that are there in his mind while executing a crucial decision that can change several things for him in the future. So this is our section जहाँ हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ फिल्म्स के बारे में जो मेरे ओपिनियन में आर मोस्टली अंडररेटेड और मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट दैट फिल्म और दैट जॉनरा. Today we are going to talk about the film Monsoon Shootout, written and directed by Amit Kumar. This film was initially premiered in various film festivals abroad in 2013, but it got an official theatrical release in India in 2017. The idea of the film was quite interesting on its own, and considering the fact कि इस फिल्म को 2013 में बनाया गया था, आई थिंक इट वॉज वे अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम इन इंडियन सिनेमा. द आइडिया ऑफ अ स्टोरी वॉज इनिशियली केम इन टू द माइंड ऑफ द डायरेक्टर अमित कुमार आफ्टर ही सॉ अ शॉर्ट फिल्म कॉल्ड एन अकरेंस एट आउल क्रीक ब्रिज. द क्रक्स ऑफ दैट स्टोरी रिवॉल्व्ड अराउंड अ मैन हु इज अबाउट टू बी हैंग्ड ऑन द आउल क्रीक ब्रिज. And then the whole short film just shows a scenario where he somehow escapes from that situation and got back to his wife. But the dark part was all that was a dream and he was actually hanged to that bridge. फिल्म का आइडिया था कि कैसे उस एक सेकंड को जहाँ पर सिर्फ लीवर खींचने का टाइम है एंड दैट मैन विल बी हैंग्ड, उस मोमेंट को कैसे एक्सपैंड करके बताया जाए. एंड दैट थिंग रियली गॉट इनटू द माइंड ऑफ द डायरेक्टर अमित कुमार एंड ही रोट अ स्टोरी अबाउट अ कॉप विद अ डिलेमा ऑफ टू शूट और नॉट टू शूट द person, and he tries to provide a commentary on the idea of morality of a person who is a cop. So Monsoon Shootout is a story of a cop and a killer where it is set in the background of the monsoon in the city. Like in our daily life, we tend to make many decisions, right? Whether small or big. However, few decisions that we take can eventually change our fate forever. And sometimes to take a decision, there is only a fraction of second that is actually available. The movie Monsoon Shootout explores this idea by narrating such a story where our cop Adi, played by Vijay Varma, faces a dilemma to shoot, not to shoot, or take a middle way, as he was not at all sure if the man that he has chased down in the streets is actually a criminal or not. That choice is totally prompt and decision is all to be taken by Adi only on those fraction of seconds. What this film does different here is that it tries to vent to the whole thought process of Adi to assess the consequences of either of the choice he is going to make. Every action has consequences and new situation is originated. The director tries to take its audiences on that journey and we get to see three different scenarios of the same situation with the same characters. While watching this, I really wanted to appreciate the director who have come up with this unique idea of showing something which we rarely encounter in Indian cinema. This film will surely give you those chills and edge of the seat thriller which gets you intrigued in its screenplay. See, as a debutant, direction was not up to the mark, but I think I can give it to the maker of this film as the idea was great and exciting, but somehow the execution lost its way in the film. But still, this film is an experience on its own as the climax of the film will really shock you and gets you jump from your seat for sure. The movie explores real locations and real rain as well in majority of the scenes to show the city streets. The most important aspect of the movie was to use those monsoon rains as its metaphor to reflect the moral dilemmas faced by Adi. And the rain truly adds up that intensity to its action sequences and heightens that tension and drama to show the blurred line between the right and wrong. Look, this is not that typical mass film and it doesn't sell itself like that anyways. But there is a gritty, realistic depiction of the dilemmas faced by Adi to take a right decision in just a fraction of seconds. All the actors including Vijay Varma as Adi, Nawazuddin Siddiqui as Shiva and Neeraj Kabi as Khan have performed so flawless that you might forget that they are actually acting. Despite being such a low budget film, movie scores marks in the screenplay and its cinematography. Film just stands solid in both the crucial pointers and the core message of the film was very clear that in life one has to choose amongst the available paths to proceed and life gives us every choice but the time given to us to select one choice is very less.
मुझे लगता था ये फैसला लेने के लिए थोड़ा वक्त होता है हमारे पास, पर होता है सिर्फ एक पल।
एंड दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माई साइड। ये तो थे मेरे कुछ थॉट्स मॉनसून शूट आउट को लेकर। ओवरऑल द आइडिया एंड प्लॉट ऑफ द फिल्म इज क्वाइट यूनिक विच इज वेरी रेयर इन एनी मूवी वी टिपिकली वॉच। अगर आपने ये फिल्म अब तक नहीं देखी है तो आई हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू वॉच दिस वन एंड ट्रस्ट मी you will not get disappointed. This is the first video of this section where we will discuss few underrated gems in Indian cinema. आप भी अपने thoughts comments में ज़रूर बताएं if you have already watched Monsoon Shootout. Also ये discussion अच्छा लगा हो तो do like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content ahead. Also do follow us on Instagram @cinesamvad. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next one. Cheers.